Blessed day, beautiful people. I am Illailla and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hey guys, today we will react to BI. So first we will react to BI, Destiny Roger, Tyla, Yahweh, Got It Like That, MV. And then we will react to BI, Waterfall Performance Film. And then we will react to BI, Illailla, MV. So guys, I am so excited. Let's talk later about how I know about BI and stuff. But yeah, let's go.
Pose for the flick, yeah, we got it like that. Show off the trip, like we got it like that. Know what it is, we just poppin' like that. Yeah, 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 we got it like that. Oh, yeah, yeah, we got it like that.
Do your little thing.
If you got it like that, oh, yeah, yeah, we got it like that.
Make 'em understand
That you got it like that. Can't no one get on our level. Gotta stay fresh from the head to everyday vibes, no, it ain't no flex. Yeah, we been up, now that y'all upset. Don't miss no shots when we take them. They come to us, we don't chase them. When you this fly, you don't need no stress. Whole team good, couldn't be more blessed. One thing you should know is the art of letting go. Pose for the flick, yeah, we got it like that. Show off the trip, like we got it like that. Know what it is, we just poppin' like that. Yeah, 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 we got it like that. Oh, yeah, yeah, we got it like that.
Do your little thing.
If you got it like that, oh, yeah, yeah, we got it like that.
Make 'em understand
That you got it like that.
I know that you're thinking of me. Look in the mirror, you love me. Every day I wake up feeling myself. Started for the bottom, now we on the top shelf, yeah. 기분은 how it's hard, 구름이 걸어가. Me, myself, and I say 여기서 내려가. Finna take off, be my own boss. Ain't no limit, cause it ain't my fault.
One thing you should know is the art of letting go. Pose for the flick, yeah, we got it like that. Show off the drip, like we got it like that. Know what it is, we just poppin' like that. Yeah, 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 we got it like that. Oh, yeah, yeah, we got it like that.
Do your little thing.
If you got it like that, oh, yeah, yeah, we got it like that.
Make 'em understand
That you got it like that.
I got my from Atlanta, I'm sipping this Japanese Fanta, oh yeah. My girls want to keep that pole when I move, so my shawty a dancer. Big reds busting out the ball, main ballin' like Barkley, oh yeah. She wanna ride in this R8, that's what they all say, oh yeah. One thing you should know, it's the art of letting go.
Pose for the flick, yeah, we got it like that. Show off the drip, like we got it like that. Know what it is, we just poppin' like that. Yeah, 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 we got it like that. Oh, yeah, yeah, we got it like that.
Do your little thing.
If you got it like that, oh, yeah, yeah, we got it like that.
Make 'em understand
That you got it like that.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 Jane, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 Pain. 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain, 이 인생은 새노래 끝이 없는 거네. 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 여인. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네. 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서야 피가 제대로 통해. 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내. 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해. Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. 고마운 나의 사람들 생의 모든 인연 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 비어 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me 해변이 있었나요 소매 끝에 두 볼에 흐르는 물줄기를 닦아낸 탓에 해변이 있었나요 눈꼬리 끝에 뜨겁게 차오른 물방울이 스며든 탓에 나 혼자 왜 단성 길을 잃었어 감정의 빈혈기 전쟁이 난 머릿속 추억의 물결 속에 발을 담그겐 심장까지 열어 붙을 만큼 차가워 해변이 있었나요 소매 끝에 두 볼에 흐르는 물줄기를 닦아낸 탓에 해변이 있었나요 눈꼬리 끝에 뜨겁게 차오른 물방울이 스며든 탓에 해변 알려주고 사라진 네 덕에 동공에 자욱한 안개는 거칠 날이 없네 둘이 걷던 모든 길을 편히 걷지 못해 사무치게 끌어안던 네가 이제 어깨에서 매로 눈가를 비벼고 미안이라서 싫어 이런 나를 두고 어디가 내 기분은 폭풍우가 지나간 뒤적이야 해변이 있었나요 소매 끝에 두 볼에 흐르는 물줄기를 닦아낸 탓에 해변이 있었나요 눈꼬리 끝에 뜨겁게 차오른 물방울이 스며든 탓에 그리워하면 내가 제일 잘하는 일 울적하면 내게 가장 편안한 질 깨져버린 맘의 모서리는 뾰족해질 테고 찔리는 건 어차피 또 날 테지만 익숙한 상처인걸 익숙한 작별인걸 어색한 안녕과 덩그러니까지 익숙한 장면인걸 있었나요 소매 끝에 일라 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 눈가에
같아.
Okay guys, let's talk about these three videos. So first of all, I will tell you how I know BI. So first of all guys, I am an iconic. So yes, I started to stan Icon even since before their debut. We've been through two survival shows and I was there. I was watching the boys finally debut. And actually guys, Jinani and BI, they are my two biases in Icon. This is why when the news came out that he left, I mean, left, when he was not anymore in Icon, I was really, really sad. But that was so long ago, and I was actually super happy to see that he had a comeback. Yes, I know, guys, I am late. I know. These videos were released on May, and sadly, because of my school, I was really, really busy. Like, crazy, guys. I don't know how long I really wanted to make this reaction, and finally today I made it. And I don't know, I feel like a mix of emotions. Okay, okay, I will explain you why, guys. Let's first analyze the first song. And I will try to be very short because I quite talk too much and I can do a review of like 30 minutes and it's not good because I do not have memory in my phone and yeah, it's not a good idea. And I think that you will get bored if I talk too much, guys. But let's talk about Got It Like That. So I really love that he made a collab. It's a really great collab, and this collab it's really influenced by Western style. Like it really remind me of a Western style kind of MV. And I really actually like all the shots, all the effects of the cameraman. Like for example, the fisheye camera, you know, guys, and actually also like the magazine kind of effect. I don't know how to describe that, but overall, I think that this song was really cute and it's a good song. If we talk about Waterfall, I totally love that song. I mean, I don't know if this is my favorite song or Illa. I'm still undecided. But this song has really Hanbin style. This song best describes him. Like everything. The rap, like the vibe, everything. It was so good. I don't know if you saw my face while I was doing this reaction, but the choreo is fire, okay? The choreo, I was like, it's very refreshing actually to see a choreo like that. It's so powerful. Like the angles of the cameraman were chef kiss. Like guys, I just loved this performance film video. The set was simple, but the cameraman really made miracles and really used the camera in a perfect way. If we talk about Ila Ila MB, I just love the concept. Actually, I love water, like the oceans, the waves and stuff. So I was like, oh, okay. And I was trying like to really understand the meaning of it, like the song. I actually got emotional. I mean, especially in the end, and I will tell you why. So first of all, I really love the way Hanbin Bi he expresses himself with music in such a good way that he is like transparent when we are talking about music. What he feels, he conveys with music. I also love all the scenes, all the close-ups. I mean, his eyes were telling a story. And especially in the last part when it was really just zoom in his face, in his eyes, I really got very emotional. Like I didn't want to cry, but okay. So Yokshi, my bias. He is very handsome. Like I was watching the MV and I was really trying to focus on the song and on the MV, but I really thought like he is so good looking. I mean, I'm so happy that he is growing so well, and he is also still making music. You know, we had this like break where we really wanted to have like news about him, and him having a comeback. It's a really great thing. It's a really great gift for us. So I told you guys, I almost cried because like I saw like the pain, the sadness, like how he conveys emotions, guys. I don't know what to say, and I don't want to cry right now. But I also felt like, what if Icon sang this song together with Bi? I mean, okay, I am turning too much emotional and it's not good. Uh, and then guys, I also check out the lyrics because I do not put the lyrics when I do reactions because I am trying to focus on the music and the MV. But after reading the lyrics, I wanna cry. I really wanna cry. Okay, I have teary eyes. But I think that he went through a lot, and I will still like support him no matter what. And he deserves so much support. And ah, give me a second. Okay, guys, I really don't want to cry, so I will end this. Um, guys, I love to see him like back. I know I am very late, and I think that I will post this around September. I am shooting this in advance because I have school. And what can I say? I am so excited for more of his music, and maybe in the future we will see Icon together again. I mean, today also we got the news that Bobby he is getting married and he will be a father this September, and it's quite shocking, but I am very happy for him. But that does not mean that one day we cannot have Icon complete. Maybe in the future we will have Icon complete together performing a song. And oh, my iconic heart, guys. Okay, so guys, I will try to end this because I am really getting emotional. Okay, guys, please let me know what you felt when you first saw these videos, like one video in particular. Tell me also, guys, if there's like a song that I really need to react to from his album, from his comeback. And I will try to check out that request, but I cannot promise you that I will make a video of it. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please support BI, Kim Han Bin, please. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. And like I always say, pray more, love more, Jesus more in your life. May God bless you.